An 82-year-old man is now in custody after a standoff inside of a law firm just north of Holland.
It all started before noon at Property Law Solutions on Lakewood Boulevard, and it didn't come to an end until just before 4. Target 8 investigator Susan Samples has been keeping us updated on woodtv.com all afternoon. She is live now with how that standoff ended. Susan?
It was right around 3:30 this afternoon that 82-year-old man was removed in an ambulance. He was not injured, we're told, but that was a precaution, and he is now headed to jail. It was a resolution to a bizarre 4.5-hour standoff that happened here at Property Law Solutions, which is a law firm in this strip mall. This is called a Railside Center. We're on Lakewood Boulevard, just west of Beeline. That 82-year-old walked into the law firm with 2 knives. There were 2 employees inside at the time. One of those employees is an attorney, and his name is Bill Sickle, and he just explained to me that the man who had the knives is a former attorney himself and a longtime friend, an old friend of Sickle's. Sickle tells me that he thought, the 82-year-old man, thought that someone was chasing him and trying to kill him, and he actually came to the law firm seeking help from Bill Sickle. When Sickle tried to reassure him that he was safe, that is when the tension escalated, and the 82-year-old, we're told, according to Bill Sickle, said, "You must be one of them." So that's what started the standoff, and deputies had said that Bill Sickle, or the attorney, was held at knife point for a brief time. There was another employee who was able to get out, but here's what Captain Jake Sparks had to say about what happened.
He did threaten some of the employees that were in the business at the time. There were 2 employees in there. He did briefly hold one of the employees at knife point for a period of time until deputies got here promptly and were able to free that individual. Nobody was injured during this incident.
Ottawa County's tactical units were able to use less than lethal means. We saw them carrying gas masks into the office around 3:30 to force the 82-year-old man out of the office ultimately. He is facing charges of unlawful imprisonment and felonious assault, but again, a successful resolution because no one was injured, and it appears that this was a mental health related episode. Again, Bill Sickle wanted to make sure people knew that the 82-year-old was coming to him seeking help and did not show up to hurt anyone in the office. But the situation escalated because the 82-year-old was scared and thought someone was chasing him, which Sickle said was not at all the case. And that's how this all unfolded. Live near Holland, Susan Samples, back to you.
All right, yeah, great points there, Susan. A little tense, but a great outcome. Thanks for that live update.